Hello, friends. Today, let us work on our phonic sound for the letter C. The letter C, the K sound. Let's do it. All right, so this is the letter C. Mommy C, or capital letter C, and baby C, or small letter C. When you practice your handwriting, you will write the mommy C and the baby C all the way to the end of the line, and don't forget your finger spaces in between the letters. Okay, so what sound does the letter C make? It makes the K sound. K sound. Let us work on some words that start with the K sound. Some words that start with the letter C. So this is the K for cat with whiskers. K for cat with whiskers. The word is cat, and it starts with the K sound. K, a, t, cat. You can see your cat with its little whiskers. Okay, and the second word that starts with the K sound is cap. You know your cap that you wear in the sun when it's too hot and you don't want the sun in your face. The word is cap. K, a, p, cap. And the last word that starts with the K sound, yep, you guessed it, it's a car. It starts with the K sound. K for car. K, R. We have learnt the sound for the letter A as the A for apple sound. But whenever you see an A before a R, it changes its sound to R. So this is not a car, it's a car. Because the letter A comes before the letter R, the sound changes from A for apple to R for art. So this is a K, R, car. And our sound pattern is A, B, K, D. E, F, G,